some point you're going to find that you want to have your overlay drawing match your original drawing. Specifically, if someone's gone to a great deal of trouble at the point of creating the drawing to have a specific layout, you may want to trace it to the best of your ability. However, on the other hand, you may want to hide the odd run out. You can see at the top here we got a bit of a run out. There's a number of ways you can approach this, but you can have just your tile without the hatch on top. So essentially you turn the top layer into almost like a paint layer. It's going to represent the footage anyway. But you'll notice on this particular drawing, the original is so light, the lines are so faint, that creates a bit of an issue even. So we want to see those lines prominently through from the original render. But at the same time, we want to have our colored overlay for various reasons, phasing, pseudo shop drawings or seam drawings, however you want to call it. And one of the things you almost never see with estimating is pre-production or post, especially pre, and you can actually make these lines pop by using various image editing. Now, I'm going to use Lightroom in this particular case, but there are lots of softwares out there that can do this, but depending on how your drawing was in the first place, you can really bring these up by manipulating the curves. Now, I should warn that you need to save your drawing. This isn't a PDF at this point. This is actually being converted to TIFF, which is common, and also PNG is common now in estimating, digital estimating. And you'll notice as I adjust this curve, you actually can get pretty heavy lines. About there, it's pretty heavy. If we were to draw on top of this with a digital estimating software, in this case it was Measuresquare, you're going to see those lines pop through your overlay pretty good. And interestingly enough, as I was making this video, I also noticed we could actually make those things disappear. That could have some value too. I think there's been lots of times where I wanted to make the original drawing disappear. Now, I don't know if you could hold true on all drawings with that. It may just be indicative of this one. However, the point of this video was to show you in a pre-production of your architect drawings, you can manipulate, if you will, the weight of the drawing.